guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Can you believe some nut emailed me about this and they want to buy it? As you know, I recently picked up a John Deere tractor that I kept the engine for, stripped it of its parts, and now I have a deck that I didn't know what I was going to do with. So I listed it on Facebook, Craigslist, and all that. Some guy says you want it. I know, I shouldn't wear slippers when I do this stuff. Anyway, he lives nearby here. He said he has to wait until 7 o'clock until his son gets back. I didn't want to wait that long because I was going out and run some errands anyway. So I told him I would come by and drop it off. You grab the sale while it's fresh. You don't give them any time to change their mind, see? So I said, I'll deliver it to you. Get the money so that he doesn't have time to think about it and back out. So I sold the deck for $100. Awesome! Makes the picking up that tractor all the worthwhile. $100 in a 24-hour span. That's awesome. Guy was really cool. Stood there talking about guns and ammo and stuff too, and tractors, and you know, you meet some really interesting people. I guess I could say in this line of work, but it's not really line of work. In this hobby, if you will. Anyway, off to the next thing. Oh hey, how you guys doing? It's the next day. I did a drone video. Somebody had sent me a drone to do a review on, and I finished the episode and I was playing around with it in the backyard. And I flew so high up there, right, that I got caught in a tree. So it sat there overnight. Let's see if you guys can see it. You see it? Right there. Black thing? It's pretty high up there. And I don't have anything that high to get it down. But if you can trace the branches, it goes to this branch here over to that branch. And I'm thinking maybe if I get a big stick or something and move it around, it might move. Still got to get used to it. So playing with the drone is a lot of fun, but it takes a lot of practice, you know? I find myself not looking at the display of my phone, and I'm looking at it. So if it's pointed towards me, I want to have the impulse of moving forward, but I always end up going backwards. You know what I mean? I gotta try to just watch the screen, which I'm not doing. But it's a lot of fun. I'll get better at it, you know, whatever. In the meantime, the mail came, and my new gas cap that I bought for, this doesn't look right, fellas. This is not the gas cap that I bought. This is too big. It looked exactly the same on the listing, but this is no good. Crap. Oh well. Nobody's in a rush to buy this right now anyway. That sucks. But you know what? Because this is such a nice mower, you know what? The oil is good. I was going to change the oil, but it's fine. I tried cranking this thing a couple of times to see if the work that we just recently did on this, I took the top off, looked inside, replaced the Woodruff key on the keyway for the flywheel, and I wanted to wait until the cracks, because I also JB welded the inside cracks since I was in there already, put everything back together, and I just wanted to crank it real quick to see if it would work. The battery wouldn't crank. It cranked like half, like this. You know? So I feel like the compression is really high again. It's going to be difficult to crank, you know? If you had a good battery, it would sling the ACR, automatic compression release, and it'd be easier to turn over. But the battery was just dead, and I had just charged it. So I put my load tester to it, and it failed. This would be the second Everstart U1 battery, 230 cold cranking amps that I got from Walmart for $24.87. I gotta go back to Walmart and exchange it. And in the meantime, I have another core battery from another tractor. I'll just go buy another one. So hopefully I'll come home with two. Off to Walmart. Back from Walmart. It was great because there was ammo there. You guys know I always want to buy ammo. So we'll put this on now and give her a crank and see if this battery is better than the other one. Okay, it's on there. Let's see if it'll crank. All right, so now it cranks. Guess I should turn on some gas, huh? Let it trickle a little bit. See if it starts. Well, got a little piece of it. hung up. There we go. Look at that. You guys see that? There's smoke coming out between the seams of the engine block right there, as if the sump cover's not even on right, you know? That's no good. I think this engine's DONESKI, seriously. Look at that. Look how there's smoke coming out of the seam. I don't think this engine's ever going to run right. Even after fixing that woodruff key, I think the timing is better, right? But it running and stuff like that, it just seems like something else has come loose or broke or something. I just think that this is, I've had it with this engine. Okay, so it surges a lot. Because we replaced the woodruff key, it seems like the timing's better and it's starting to run better. I'm able to control the throttle, high speed and low speed, but it surges a lot, which means that the carburetor I put on there is probably dirty because the jet is clogged or something like that. So if I put the other carburetor back on here again, it might run better, but honestly, I think the top part of this thing has shifted a little bit, and there was smoke coming out of the seams between the top sump cover and the engine block, which means it's not a tight enough seal, you know, because of the cracks, you know, it's just not stable. So I don't think I could use this engine, honestly, to put in a tractor to sell. I think in the long run, I should try to put that John Deere La120 engine that I just got, the V-twin, I think I should put that on here. But I'll have to think about what I'm going to do with this. I might try to put another carburetor on here and see if this runs just fine. We'll just see what happens. But that's it, man. That's my 3-day video, man, of what I've been doing. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as, if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.